welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm so excited for because it is going to be my first Ipsy unboxing with the Glam Bag Plus that I'm doing on my channel. This is actually my third month that I am receiving the bigger subscription, but it is the first time that I am unboxing it with you guys. So I'm so excited. I don't want to keep you too long because I want you to see what I got, which I am just so impressed. But let's just go. So before we get into this video, I just want to say hi, my name is Victoria and I really hope you subscribe. Also click the notification bell, that way you could be notified because my posting dates are like whenever I actually get time. But now let's get into the Ipsy Glam unboxing. So I did not know that I was going to have time to film. So I actually threw away the card last night that comes in the inside, but I will try to get the prices for you and I will get the names for you and put it on the screen as I show you the products. Now unfortunately I won't be using any of these on my face today, but I will try to update you in 2 to 3 weeks to let you know how I'm liking these products. Now I feel like most of the time with monthly subscriptions I do get BoxyCharm, I do get Ipsy, I also get Try Beauty unless I skip a month, which I did last time, but I'm getting it today because they charge my card. But with that being said, with a lot of monthly subscriptions and then me purchasing makeup, I feel like half of the time when I get the monthly subscriptions, I just leave the products there and I don't try it. And I don't want to get into that. I have had so much makeup recently go bad on me, like primers that I haven't even opened yet, concealers that I haven't even opened yet, that I bought maybe a year ago, and they just do not smell right and they smell funky. So I would rather just open the products, use the products as much as I can, and rotate my makeup collection, because I just felt like if it wasn't open it wouldn't go bad, but I guess that's not always the case. So with that being said, I don't want to keep on talking too much. I just haven't filmed in so long and I'm so happy I get to sit down and film for you guys. But let's get into it. As I mentioned, I will leave the product name and the prices on the screen as well as listed down below, but let's get into it. All right, so the first thing that I got in my Ipsy box was the Touch and Soul Waterful Glow Cream. This is what the box looks like, but this is what the cream looks like. It is so beautiful. So in the end of May, I actually was thinking about canceling Ipsy, but I was like, let me try it for one more month. So in June I tried it for one more month and I was so excited because I actually got a Sunday Riley cream, and those are expensive. Now Ipsy is $24, I believe. $24.99. It comes up to like $26 with tax. I will leave everything down below because as I mentioned, I didn't expect to have time to film. So I did film one video already and this is the second video. So I'm just trying to be in a rush, but all the information will be listed down below. I just missed you guys and I really want to film. So I'm just going to leave everything listed down below. But this cream retails for $34, which is already more than the box. It is really pretty. I have not used it yet, but as I mentioned before, I will start using my products and I will update you on each subscription unboxing and all the stuff I get within 2 to 3 weeks, possibly a month. With that being said, let's get on to the next item. The next item is a Pixie Glow Mist. I believe these retail for $15. I'm so excited because honestly I have been loving Pixie Beauty lately. I am on their PR list. I noticed that I don't get every PR package, but I have gotten 3. So the last PR package I actually got is on my Instagram, which I will leave listed down below as well, and it was more towards skincare and vitamin C, which I'm so happy about because my skin has been looking dull. But I never tried one of these glow mists. Every time I go to Target, I put it in my cart and then I take it out because I'm trying to finish the products that I have, which is a lot. And I don't do my makeup every single day, unfortunately, because I don't always have the time. So I didn't want to rebuy it. But now that I have it and I got it in a subscription box, I'm going to try it. So you can't go wrong with this. The next item is actually from Gold Fading MD, and it is Bright Eyes Dark Circle Radiance Concentrate. This is what it looks like. It is an eye serum. The box was kind of messed up, so I threw the box away already. I'm just trying to Google the price for you guys. So this retails for $55. Me personally, I won't pay $55 for this, but this is like for the under eyes, so you won't use as much, and it helps with eye darkness, puffiness, and fine lines. I do have fine lines underneath my eye, and I have been getting into eye creams and eye serums lately, so I'm so excited that I received this in my bag. So the next item that I received, I honestly had to double check to make sure that it was true because I didn't believe it. It was the Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette. So this retails for $45, and oh my god, look how beautiful that is. This is how the highlighter looks. So you come with 4 shades, and it comes with like a set of how to do it. I personally won't be using all 4 each time. I probably won't even follow these directions. I had one of these palettes before. I purchased it, I want to say I got into makeup October 2017. I purchased it like November 2017, and I never used it, so I ended up selling it on Mascara, but I think it was because I didn't know how to use it. I think this steps right here kind of scared me, so I didn't use it. I'm gonna try to use it again now that I have it again. I don't think it was this one that I had either, but I'm gonna try to use it so that way I can follow the steps, and if I don't like how the steps makes it look, then I'm just gonna use it by myself. Regardless, I paid like $25 and I got a $45 palette, not including every other thing that I got. So the next thing that I got in the box is this Thrive Liquid Lash Extension Mascara. I'm so excited for this. Kathleen Light speaks so highly of this brand. I have been wanting to try the bronzer, but it's kind of expensive, and I have a bunch of other ones in my collection, so I kind of didn't listen. I spent so much money in the month of April with being IMAT and just shopping, and then in May, and then in June. So June I kind of slowed down a lot, but for July I have been only purchasing cheap stuff, little things that I get on Mascara or whatever the case may be. But besides that point, I'm trying to limit my purchases, so I have not kind of caved in on the Thrive bronzer. So when I seen that I was getting the mascara, I was so excited because I at least wanted to try something from the brand. So that I don't know the price off the back of my head right now, but I will leave it on the screen as well. So now you do have an option of doing add-ons. I was a cream that I wanted. I think it was Glow Recipe. I will leave a picture of it on the screen, and it was sold out by the time that I even looked at the add-ons. And then you have the Huda Beauty little Obsessions. They had the Mauve Obsession palette for only $12, but I actually have the Bad Habit dupe for it, which I think it's perfectly fine. It is a dupe. It's not the Huda Beauty one, but I just felt like, why even go out my way to get it if I haven't even used the Bad Habit one in a really long time? But I did get some add-ons. I do like to get add-ons, but I like to get the $3 add-ons because I'm kind of cheap, and also because I like the experience of getting samples in it as well. So I did pick up this Smashbox little liquid lip, and this is in Babe Alert. I think it's perfect for summertime, as well as this Red Earth Brighten Concentrate Oil that I purchased for $3. I have been really trying to get into skincare lately because I'm breaking out so bad on my chin area. So I have been wanting to get into skincare more recently. So I'm really into like masks and serums and face oils and SPF. Thank you to Christina. So the last sample that I got was a little sleeping mask thing. So this one right on this side is for pore tightening, and then this one is for, I'm guessing, like a glow. So I haven't used them yet, but I do want to try to use them. I guess you just put some on your face. It does have 10 milliliters, which looks like enough product to me. So I'm really excited. So being that I didn't expect to film this video, and I know I could try to add up the prices right now, but I kind of want to squeeze in one more video right now before the kids get home in a half an hour. So I will leave the total amount of my box listed on the screen as well as below. But already just saying the prices that I did know, it was already worth it. This little cream was $55. The highlighter palette, $45. It doesn't take a rocket science to like really know that the price is gonna go over $25 already, and so it is worth it. So with that being said, I'm going to end this video with a thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being patient with me. For the ones that do watch my videos, if you are a new subscriber, thank you for subscribing to me, even though my posting has been a little bit cray-cray, and I really hope you guys stay. So with that being said, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye.